good day to you. Today we're going to talk about the Highland Park CB6 cabbing machine. This is a wonderful machine to get started on cabbing and polishing agates. And today we're going to talk about how to maintain it. You want to make sure that you do a really good job maintaining your cabbing machine so that it lasts for years and years and years. So what we're going to do today is we're going to take the lid off. I'm going to show you where the bearings are, and we're going to go ahead and lube them. So it is highly recommended from the manufacturer, Highland Park, that you use white lithium grease, NLGI number 2 rated. You can get this pretty much anywhere, auto parts, Amazon, places like that, but make sure you use white lithium grease. Now I do have a grease gun here preloaded with a tube of the white lithium grease, and this is what we're going to use to grease the bearings. Make sure it has a Zerk, Z-E-R-K, fitting on the end that fits right on the bearing, and you can do one pump into the bearing. There are 2 bearings. So let me go ahead and take the lid off. First of all, you're going to want to take off the 2 side plates with these 2 brass screws. Usually you can do it just with your hand, just like this. So I have 2 screws and the side plate comes right off. Just make sure you keep those pieces handy and you don't lose them. Now I'm going to do the other side real quick here. Take the side plate off. And this is just so you can get to the lid easily and pull the lid off. Now to take the lid off, you leave these 4 on and these 4 on. These are for your water. But you're going to want to take off this one back here. This one in the front. And then this one back here. So it's 3 screws on the top. And I'll keep these handy as well. Now when you take the lid off, make sure you merely set it to the side. You're not going to want to try to pull it all the way away because you have a cord and a water tube. So just set it to the side like this. You can undo your water if you want so that it doesn't pull the water reservoir kit bucket off. And then just push it over here. Now, come on closer please. And we're going to look right down in here and you can see these, they're kind of the brass colored. This is the bearing on the left. This is the bearing on the right. That's your belt. You can leave that be for now. And you're going to want to use the grease gun as I showed you. So let me grab the grease gun again. And you're going to stick this right on the fitting. Just like that. You're going to do 1 squirt. And then you're going to sit it on this fitting over here. Lock it on really good and do 1 squirt of the grease gun. That's the entire process for the CB6 cabbing machine to go ahead and get the bearings greased or lubed. Super easy to put this back on. I'm going to put the 3 screws back in, and then I'll put the side plates back on, and you're good to go. Now this machine, as shown, is standard. Everything you see here is how it comes out of the box, except for the water reservoir kit. I highly recommend that you get this accessory because it actually allows you to not have any more pumps or set up some type of shelving with gravity feed. It comes with the brace or the bracket and this. And then you need the 6mm tubing, and that just pushes right in there like that, and it feeds your water manifolds. So if you have any questions about how to maintain your CB6 cabbing machine, please drop me a comment, send me a message, and I hope you love cabbing just as much as I do. Thanks and have a great day.